welcome back. So today we'll see how we can install and uninstall Angular. So firstly, we need to install the Node.js. So download the Node.js LTS version. So this is the first step we need to do. So to download Node.js, we need to go to the website. Let me show you. Yeah. So this is the Node.js. You can search it in the Google. Just go to the nodejs.org download page and you can download the version you want. Actually it will be set to the latest version or LTS version, so you can choose whichever version you want according to the Angular version. So yeah, I have downloaded version 18.20.8. So I'll show you. I have downloaded it and I have installed it. Just follow the instructions. Once you download, you can click on download and then you can follow the instructions in order to install it. Once you have installed, you can check the version of it by giving a command called let me show you. So node-v is used to check the node version of Node.js, and this is the npm-v in order to check the node package manager version. Let me show you. I have already installed the Node.js, so I'm just checking the version of it. So it says 18.20.8 and npm version is 10.8.2. And then next we need to install TypeScript. So you can just say npm install -g global type -g TypeScript npm. You can say global or you can say g. So and then in order to check the TypeScript version, you can say tsc version. Let me show you that. I have already downloaded the package. If you say npm install, it downloads the package TypeScript globally, so and installs it. Let me show you tsc version. So TypeScript version is 5.8.3, and then we need to install Angular. Once we have installed the Node.js, the next step is we need to install Angular CLI package. So TypeScript is one package and Angular is also a package. So here we have used npm install -g TypeScript, and here in order to install Angular, we'll say npm install -g Angular CLI. So Angular CLI is nothing but a package which is needed for creating Angular application. And also this command npm install -g @Angular CLI installs the latest package. But if you want any specific Angular version, you can say specify it by @ whichever version you want. Like for now I've used 16.0.0, and then you can check the version once you have installed Angular by saying ng version. So it shows the version which is installed. Let me show you that as well. Yeah, so I've already installed 16.0.0. Okay, and then the fourth step is the code editor. So you can use whichever code editor you want, but I specifically I have used VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and this you can download it from the Google Chrome by going to Visual Studio website. Hit on download for Windows or Mac, whichever system you're using, and follow the instructions. Once it is done, we are ready to go. And then this is just for your information. You can uninstall the Angular CLI. If at all you want to uninstall, you can use this command npm uninstall -g Angular CLI to uninstall Angular, and also you can give the version which you want to uninstall as well. This is specifically done to remove the existing versions which is already installed and also which eats up your memory. So we can remove unwanted versions of Angular which has already been installed. And also don't forget to run the last command, that is npm cache verify, in order to after you run the uninstall command, so that all the related files will be removed. So these are the steps for installing and uninstalling Angular. So the first step, just to give you a summary, the first step what we did is for installation of Node.js. Download the LTS version, check whether it's installed or not. Second step, install TypeScript package. Third step, install Angular package. Also, whichever version you want, you can specify it and check the version. The fourth step was to download the code editor. And the last step, this is different. This is for uninstalling Angular CLI. If at all you want, you can run these commands. So this is it about this topic. Thank you.